Bidding wars are like far and few right now in Kitchener, it seems like, on single family properties. Reasons why? There's so many to choose from. There's no reason to fight with anybody else anymore. Hey, this is Matt Pichet, the Fruitful Investor and your investing coach. And today's video is about how investing in single family properties here in Kitchener-Waterloo is possible again. Yes, I know, the market has been insanely crazy this past 8 to 12 months, and a lot of us thought that single family properties would never be able to be invested in again. Although I've been telling you guys for a while, and not just me, but a bunch of people who are much smarter than me when it comes to investing in macroeconomics and real estate cycles have been saying that it's not gonna last forever. Things will change, and we're starting to see the market correct itself a little bit, but it's going pretty quickly actually, but we'll see if it's gonna last through the summer, through the fall. There's potential that it could go up again. There's many reasons why it could go up again, but it doesn't really look like it. It seems like people are slowing off, and I talked about those reasons in a couple of videos ago. I talked about the exact reasons why that's happening and why it'll probably continue to happen. But today's video is about how investing in single family property is possible again. I'll tell you why that is, why the reason that's happening again. Number one, is we have so many more listings, more than usual for a spring market. Everybody's saying, yeah, it's calmed down because it's just the spring market. No, it's more than that. Yes, there's an influx of listings just because it's the spring market and people like to wait until the spring. But even more than that is because the market is changing. Buyers are leaving the market. There's a ton of bad fear media about a real estate bubble coming, and the real estate bubble is finally going to pop soon. So it's scaring a lot of people from buying property. So buyers are leaving, but also sellers are flooding the market with their listings, trying to sell their property to get any money they can before the bubble kind of ends and this hot rush ends. So sellers are just listing their properties like crazy. So there's even more listings on the market, which is causing prices to come down even more, which I'll talk about in a sec. So we have more listings, less competition, prices are coming down, and because of that, we have less bidding wars. Okay, bidding wars are like far and few right now in Kitchener, it seems like, on single family properties. Reasons why? There's so many to choose from. There's no reason to fight with anybody else anymore, okay? And also, buyers are leaving the market. So I will say there's a caveat that the super nice properties, totally renovated turnkey in Kitchener, they're still seeing the bidding wars. But even then, instead of 15 to 20 offers, we're seeing 4 to 8 offers. But so those properties are still hot, still getting tons of offers on them. But the regular properties, the properties that need to be fixed up a lot, no bidding wars, like hardly any. We're seeing properties that are trying the bidding war strategy and nobody's showing up on offer day. It's a wonderful thing, I know. I'm like a mad scientist. I love when things kind of go bad, but I'm a real estate investor and so are you. We make the most money in these types of markets. In a correction market or in a slump market, that's when we make the most money because we're strategic and we know to buy low and hold it, okay? And not just bank on appreciation. We also buy for cash flow and mortgage pay down, but we hold it until the next real estate cycle. When you learn about real estate cycles and macroeconomics, you know how things work. Obviously, we don't have a crystal ball. We can't see exactly what's coming in the future, but we have a really good idea. We know when a market is in a bull market and it's really hot, we have a good indication of what's coming, okay? I'm getting a little off topic here. Number 3, why single family properties is possible again, because prices are coming down. With less bidding wars and more properties to choose from, why would anybody pay over asking anymore? They're not. So they're offering less and sellers are accepting it. Like I said in my last video before, I just bought a property with a partner last week or so, and nobody showed up on offer day, and we got a screaming deal. We just bought it for the asking price, which was way under market value. They listed it low on purpose, which is what they all do, to create a bidding war, and nobody showed up, so we scooped it up for the asking price. It was hilarious. So that's the market. If you're looking to invest in single family properties, now is a great time to invest because Kitchener is hot and we saw it. Single family properties are super desirable. Why? Because they have land and we see people fighting over land. We see what's going on in the Toronto area and GTA area. There's no land anymore. So people are just paying astronomical prices in the boom phase, which looks like it's kind of tapering and going to an end. People are going crazy for land, single family properties. So being Kitchener-Waterloo, we know what's gonna come in the next boom phase of the real estate cycle, or even the next after that one. 15, 20 years from now, it's going to be the next GTA, the next Toronto that just happened. So if you buy now and you hold and you buy strategic and you buy for cash flow and you hold it, you will win almost every single time. That I promise you, if you work with me, you will win every single time, okay? So if you want to find out more about my real estate investing apprenticeship program and how you can work with me one-on-one, how we're gonna buy a property together, you can find out more about that program right about here, and you can watch more videos right about here. Also, if you like this video, please click like right below the video. See you in the next video.